Quick video today on how to replace the passenger side of the seats switch. Mine is broken. I bought like this, and it would be fixable if this here had the parts that are missing. I bought one on eBay, I paid $60, which is a lot. We need to use either impact or a wrench like this, a 14mm. There will be a cap in here. You can just pull it out. On both sides I don't have any, so there are two bolts in the front, two 14mm bolts from the back. With the seat out, I'm just gonna lift it up, twist a little bit, and then we go to the other side. So you gotta find here which one of those connectors is the one that is going to that side, and I found here is this one. So I'm gonna unplug it and just press here and pull, and there you go. It looks exactly the same as the one I got. I'm gonna pull that out. That's my son playing with his car. Anyway, we get here and we're gonna pull that up, and it's gonna come out right here. We gotta ride it. So I end up cutting that out. It was too much. So now we're gonna put the other one in. So the hardest part here for sure is to route this through here. You can't see, so you gotta shove it in there and then start pushing around to see when it goes out. After a little fight, it's routed, so it comes from the back. So it's almost like it comes from here and goes all the way here and down. So you need to put a screwdriver here and push the seat up, and it goes. And now we're just going to screw this guy, but before doing that I'm going to connect and see if it's working. Cannot even believe, look at this. Forward, backwards. Oh, nice. So now I'm just going to screw two screws in here. Ideally you should turn off the battery, but I didn't. And after everything working, you get the big bolts and put them back in place. And this is trash, unfortunately. I love it. So stay tuned. Hope this helps you. Don't forget to subscribe. There's much more coming on this G35. I'm gonna make this thing beautiful later.